Aspire is a polyglot distributed application stack. Aspire is going to help you build distributed applications, and distributed applications can be just a website and a database. We're going to streamline those complex development processes and architectures, make them really easy for you to do with some opinionated choices that make your job better and, quite frankly, more fun. We're going to give you some built-in orchestration and diagnostics so you don't have to think about all these YAML files floating around. I'm a developer. I don't want to manage YAML. I don't want to have to go and figure out the structure of these things. I'm going to be able to do this in C# and be able to deploy and manage how all of these things work together. And we want to make sure that Aspire is developer first and reliable. We're going to make sure that you are productive, that we get out of your way and light up features that you need. We're going to light them up from the get-go and make your projects easier to build and more robust.